Folks, welcome back to another short video from the Audiofile-Incar. Today I'm going to explain our Porsche upgrade packages. We've developed 3 packs for these cars, so it makes it really easy for you to understand what we can do, what we offer, how the systems are going to work and what the costings are. They're not on the website yet, but they will be hopefully within the next week or so. It's currently April 2023. So this brand new 992 has just been fitted with our middle system, which is called the Porsche Forza system. I'll show you the components which are used in the 3 systems. So the first system, which is the Prima system, uses an Audison Prima amplifier. That's where we get the name from. And this is the amp. It's a Class D multi-channel amplifier. It's got 5 channels. It's very powerful. It hides away underneath the passenger seat in the 992, so you won't see the amplifier at all. And the speakers we use are Audison Prima. So we use the Audison Prima AP8. That sits in the bottom of the door, and that's where all your bass comes from. We make up an adaptation ring, which is machine screwed into the door using all the original fixings, so there's no drilling or anything like that. We then install the AP4. That's a 4-inch mid-range, again, back in the original location of the door card, and the AP1 tweeter. That gives us a 3-way set of components driven in a fully active format from the Audison 5-channel amplifier. We also spend a huge amount of time soundproofing the door. It's a 4-layer system in here, and it's absolutely imperative to get good sound and to not get vibration from the doors. We can achieve a massive amount of bass from these 8-inch woofers in the doors without a subwoofer. That's right, without a subwoofer. It's still really impressive. The next step up is the Forza, which is what this Porsche's had fitted. The difference with the Forza is only one thing. Instead of using the Prima amplifier, we use a Forza amplifier. The Forza amplifier, slightly more powerful on the bass, but what's really important about this amp, what really makes a difference, has a built-in DSP. That's a digital sound processor. So that enables us to tune the system to the car. It also gives us digital crossovers, which are much more accurate, and it also allows us to time align the system to the car. Now, these 3 factors make a massive difference. That's the difference between the Prima system and the Forza system. The last system we have, the higher end system, is the Morel system. So, still uses the same awesome Forza amplifier, the same AP8 woofers, but this time we exchanged the Audison Prima mid and tweeter for the Morel mid and tweeter. This is a much higher end product. It's reflected in the price, of course. You can see the build quality. Got a huge voice coil there wrapped around the magnet, which enables the speaker to play very low. Also gives it great power handling. The lower we can run the woofer in the door, the better in terms of sound quality, or that's certainly how I feel. There's the tweeter that sits in the original location. So that's the components that work together with the AP8 and the Forza amplifier to produce the Porsche Morel system. So there you go. That's a lineup and description of the 3 systems we have to offer. All of these are compatible with Bose and non-Bose cars. Now, this is a non-Bose car, which means we have an analog output that goes straight into the, in this case, Forza DSP. If you have a Bose system, then we will add an extra interface called a Zen module, which should be sitting here really, but it's not. And the Zen module takes the audio from the factory head unit via an optical connection directly into the DSP. That gives us a really clean digital input. There's the optical in there, and that links directly to the Zen module. So that summarises the 3 systems. As I say, details will be on the website, they're not quite yet. What if you fancy more bass? Well, we've got subwoofer options for all of the vehicles, including the 992. So believe it or not, we actually do a 10-inch sub with a 600-watt RMS amplifier that tucks in that back shelf. It's all trimmed in Alcantara, and it looks very factory. In fact, I'm going to put a link at the end of this video that you can click on, and then you can see the 992 custom subwoofer that we build. It's an example in a 992 turbo, so that you'll see that in a moment. So there you go. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Hopefully that's explained the solutions. Pricing can all be found on the website. The reason why we put that on the website is because obviously over time the pricing will vary. It's currently 2023. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like more information about the Porsche systems, either visit the website. If you can't find it there, just contact sales@audiofile-incar.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching.